Hello everyone, welcome to the virtual coffee tasting. My name is Tu. I am the founder of Ca-phe Project. Founded in 2020, Ca-phe Project specializes in curating Vietnamese coffee beans that grow, harvested, and roasted by local roasters across the country of Vietnam. We hope to change the misperception about the Vietnamese coffee beans, that Vietnam only able to produce cheap Robusta, which is not true anymore these days. We make delicious and probably expensive Robusta. We also have Arabica and Liberica, a very interesting bean that you will explore today throughout the virtual tasting event. This event is designed for all levels coffee drinkers, so don't overthink and just enjoy the process. Before we get started, I would like to touch on the definition of cupping and coffee tasting. Is there a difference between these two terms? Not really. The cupping is a process by which the producers, buyers, and roaster use to evaluate the quality of the cup of coffee. In a professional setting, the beans will be assessed and scored by their sweetness, body, balance, and overall cup quality. In a more informal setting, like what we are doing right now, this is a great way for you to expand your palate, get to know your preference, and exercise your senses of smells and taste. I hope this answered the questions. Let's have a look inside your tasting kits. In each kit, you will see there are 4 coffee samples back like this. The selections varies by season. And also you will have this souvenir pouch, contains the whole beans, scoops for measuring if you don't have a scale, 4 compostable cup for cupping purpose, 2 packs of condensed milk, the instruction card, 1 for tasting and 1 for brewing, and finally a fin. Mine look a little bit different here. Yours may be a little bit smaller, but that should be fine. There are a few materials that you should prepare for a successful tasting event. First, you need a kettle to boil water. We prefer to use filtered water only. And then we need 2 glasses, 1 with hot water to clean the spoons, 1 empty glass for discarding the coffee grinds, and then 2 spoons. I prefer soup spoons. And we need a scales. However, if you don't own a scales, that is okay. We have a scoops to replace the measurement. However, it will not as precise as using a scale. And then you probably need a towel to clean up any kind of messes happen along the way. Also, you need a timer, which can be replaced by your phone. And that's pretty much it. Now, are you ready? Because I am so.